Good morning everyone. Welcome in math class 10 subject math, chapter number first real numbers. Today's topic is exercise 1.1 question number 4. So what is question number 4? See that I am writing in very short. Show that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m 3m plus 1. Okay, I'm writing very short this question. Now you can check this question in your NCERT page number 7. Now how we can solve this one? By using Euclid division lemma. So it is very simple. We have to follow only the steps. What is the steps? First step, let a be any positive integer. See, always we are saying that a be any positive integer and taking b is equals to coefficient of q, but here there is no q, here it is m, so take 3 as b. Okay, b as 3 and q is quotient and r is remainder. Okay, so what is Euclid division lemma? Therefore by Euclid's division lemma, what is that one? A equals to b cube plus r, where r is greater than or equals to 0 but less than b. Okay, so here therefore when b equals to 3 implies a equals to 3q plus r, so r should be greater than or equals to 0 but less than 3. So there are here 3 conditions for r. When r equals to 0, the second one r equals to 1, and the third one r equals to 2. So when r equals to 0, we can say that a equals to 3q plus 0. When r equals to 1, we can say that a equals to 3q plus 1, and when r equals to 2, we can say that a equals to 3q plus 2. Now there might be one confusion for you that sir, here it is q and we required m. Okay, so your confusion is correct, we required m, but here see the word square. Whenever such a word is given, square or cube, you have to perform that activity, that is square or cubing. Here it is square, so we have to make it square. Okay, so simple thing we have to do, that is squaring both sides here. Squaring both sides. Same activity we have to perform here and same activity we have to perform here, squaring both sides. So what we get here? So a square is equals to 3 square, that is 3 square is 9, and q square is q square. And here again we have to perform this activity. A square is equals to, in bracket, 3q plus 1 bracket square. Here it is 1, so we have to make it bracket. And here also a square equals to, in bracket, 3q plus 2 bracket square. Okay, understood up to this? Now just solve this equation, you will get m. How? Let's see. See, first of all I am writing here again the equation. A equals to 9q square, a square equals to 9q square, a square equals to 3q plus 1 bracket square, and the third one a square equals to 3 cube plus 2 bracket square. Okay, so we require 3m, so we can separate it like this. A square equals to 3 in bracket 3q square. Here a plus b bracket square, which is equals to, here we all know this identity, a plus b bracket square equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So apply this here. So we get a square equals to 3 square means 9q square plus 3 2s are 6, 6q plus 1. Here a square equals to 3 3s are 9 q square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12q plus 4. Understood up to this? I just apply this identity. If you don't understand, just try to solve yourself. You understood this problem. Okay, now move forward. Now we are very close to our final conclusion. See what we have to do finally. We require m instead of q. Okay, so we just put here, but before putting, I just move for one step ahead. 3 in bracket 3q square. Here also I will making bracket here. A square equals to 3 in bracket 3q square plus 2q plus 1. I hope you are understanding what I am doing here. Okay, just understand. I just take 3 as a common here, and by all the equation as it is. See, 3 3s are 9, 9q square, 3 2s are 6, 6q plus 1. Here again I am taking common in from this, but here 4 I'm just splitting 4 into 3 plus 1. Okay, so what we get here, 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. I hope you understand this step. For understanding, I am explaining one step more here. A square equals to 3 as a common, so 3 in bracket 3q square plus 4q, see 3 4s are 12 plus 1 plus 1. I hope now you understand. Okay, now just instead of this bracket and this one, just put only m. Okay, so put 3q square equals to m. So here a square equals to 3m. Here put 3q square plus 2q equals to m. So here it will be a square equals to 3m plus 1. And here also put 3q square plus 4q plus 1 equals to m. So here we get a square equals to 3m plus 1. And see, this is our result. We required this one, 3m plus 1, 3m and 3m plus 1. So finally we conclude that, therefore, last line, therefore any square of, we just start with square of any square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. I hope you understand how to solve this. If you understand, just for your homework, exercise 1.1 question number 5, just do it yourself. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.